friends, welcome to Splatzy's Corner. I'm your favorite clown, Splatzy. And today we have two special guests. We have Samson and Liliana. Say hi, you guys.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing an experiment called the erupting lemon experiment. First and foremost, for this experiment, you are going to need a lemon. Cut that lemon in half. You're also going to need a tin or some type of thing to protect your table from making a big mess. You'll also need
baking soda.
Yes, and
food coloring
and
vinegar.
That's right. First of all, let's learn a bit about chemistry.
Chemistry is learning how different materials react to one another and how they are made up, including
atoms and molecules. That's right. Another important aspect of science are things called elements and compounds. What are these? I bet you're asking. The difference between an element and a compound is that an element is a substance made up of different atoms, which we already mentioned about atoms, whereas a compound is made up of different elements in definite proportions. Elements are listed according to their atomic number in something like this called a periodic table. Here is the periodic table, and on it you can see all sorts of letters and numbers. Now there is 117 known elements. 94 of these are natural and 22 of these are artificially produced. Now if you put two or more elements and combine them into one substance, you're going to get something called a chemical reaction. Today's experiment, we're going to learn how vinegar reacts to baking soda, but with a fun little twist. We're using a lemon and we're using food coloring, just to mix things up a little. First, we need to know a little bit about vinegar. What is vinegar? Vinegar is also known as acetic acid, and it's made from carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. On the periodic table, these elements are C, H, and O. Baking soda is not on the periodic table. It is a compound which is formed from the elements Na, which is sodium, H, which is hydrogen, C, which is carbon, and O, which is oxygen. So now that we've learned a little bit about science, let's do the experiment. Okay, so first of all, I'll let you guys pick yourself a color. We have 4 fun colors here. Here, Samson, which color would you like?
Green.
Green it is. Liliana, which color would you like?
Change that to blue.
You're going to change to blue? Okay, no problem. Okay, so
Pink.
What you're going to do is you're going to put a couple of drops of your food coloring all over the lemon on the outside. Okay, you guys, go ahead.
On the outside on this?
On the outside, right?
But not in the middle.
Well, you can put it in the middle too. That doesn't really matter. Very good. So now your lemon's going to look like this. It looks kind of funny.
This.
Or this. That's right. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your baking soda and you're going to sprinkle some baking soda right on top of that lemon. Okay, let's move this. This is what your lemons will look like with the food coloring and the baking soda on top. Now, we are going to add the vinegar. Okay, Liliana, don't add too much. Right in the middle of that lemon, add the vinegar and watch what happens. Go ahead, pour it in. Oh, look at that go. Yay! You can pour on some more too. Pour it right in there, Samson. All right, look at it. That's good, Samson. Not too much. Pour some more on yours, Liliana. All right. Check it out. Erupting lemons.
They look like a volcano.
They do. You can add some more too. Some more vinegar and it'll erupt even more. Look at it erupt. Look at it go.
Should we put more baking soda
That
to make
is
it erupt
super
even
fun,
more?
right?
Yeah.
That was our experiment. Thank you so much for watching the erupting lemon experiment. Have a good day, you guys.
Bye.